I'm going to show you a glitch or a trick to get infinite viewers on Streamer Live Simulator 2. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically, as you can see, when I normally stream without this trick, I get like 20 viewers and I get almost no followers. So if I want to use this glitch, to use it, you just need to start and stop streaming a lot of times. So just spam the click right here and you will see how your viewer count will start increasing. So just do this for 30 seconds or a minute or as long as you want. And then when you start streaming, now the viewer count will kinda glitch, but you will see how it's increasing very fast. And the number of followers will increase very quickly, and the same thing with the chat and the donations. So that's it. As you can see, I have like 500 viewers right now when I usually have only 20. If you keep doing the glitch for longer, you will have much more viewers than usual. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.